right, we in there.
If you thought you were done with us, we ain't done yet. Professor Guppy and Vanilli Willy back on the mic. So we've got Seagull Joe going right to the Sonic. Not going to mess around with the Ditto. Not really going to mess around with Little Kong over here. We got pure, unadulterated Seagull Joe over here versus Chrome Kingfisher. Getting the music situated. Getting Seagull's water bottle set up. I'm not too sure what he's doing.
Wow, is this necessary?
Unbelievable. He needs to assert his dominance as a number 4?
Actually,
fourth best player?
I don't know.
Because we got Wadi and then we got collection of people. Who knows?
I was ready to pick you off anyway.
Ah, yes. Here we go. My main man, Orpheus, on the mic. What is good? Please hold.
All right, now I'm here.
All right, there we go. Yo, get yourself a chair. Steal someone's chair. I don't think they're using the... Yeah, they're not using the high chair. So into Smashville we go.
All right, we have Seagull Joe and
Chrome Kingfisher, the invader from Pittsburgh. I smell a spin dash. One spin dash, two spin dash. Oh, button check?
Yeah, but
wrong controls maybe. Who knows?
Or,
no, I'm not too sure what's going on. Actually, no. Seagull Joe just knew. He's like, oh, I made a mistake. Can I go Diddy Kong game 1? Please, please, please.
No, he said he was going to go to Sonic.
Oh, okay. So we'll just have to see how this goes.
Alright.
Are they changing stages or are they? Oh yeah, okay. I'm not too sure what happened there.
Maybe it was just checking his controls.
Maybe. Who knows?
I can't remember if he uses different controls for Diddy.
We'll have to see. Into game 1 we go. There's a grab. There's a bear. Unfair. Okay.
A bear.
The claps. And reset neutral. And as I say it, ooh.
So very solid start right now.
Especially from Seagull. Really abusing his speed and his spacing in this matchup. Just really running circles around Donkey Kong quite literally. 103% of damage, uncontested.
And you ruined it.
As I say it. Trading back and forth. Ooh.
I was expecting the back at the Seagull, not
well,
Kingfisher.
DK's does come out far faster.
Faster? Okay.
Yeah. Ding dong? Ding
Wow.
dong. Look at that. Ooh. Things of beauty. Yeet smash. Hello. Top 10 comeback. Oh my god, he wanted that.
All you need is one grab.
Well, who needs a grab when you just get that back air in? We're pretty much at the beginning of game 1 here.
True.
Smashville just about at its usual position. Trading similar presents. Ooh, okay. Some fancy footwork there.
It kind of started out similar to how it was at the beginning of the game. Strong start by Seagull, but then Kingfisher with a nice comeback.
Although if he does get grabbed on that platform again, that could be the end of him as we saw in that first stock.
Yeah. Tries to go for force smash, but doesn't get it.
Here's a down throw. Is he going to spring? Oh, he's going to try F smash. He's going to whiff it. Go for it again.
He's going for those F smashes. I mean, it works because DK's so big.
Oh, DK's so big. Sonic's just so fast, honestly.
In this
matchup, at least, yeah. F smash. There we go. Third time is not the charm in this case. He's going to mix that spin dash on his shield. Not quite enough to kill yet. 4 F smashes. None of them connecting.
It'll hit eventually.
Eventually. Seagull isn't real if he doesn't end this game with a 5th F smash. Whoops.
When was the last time you seen Sonic's F smash kill?
I have no idea. But hey, when was the last time we saw a back air kill? About a minute ago.
Yeah.
In the match. Just about, yeah. Game 1 going to Seagull Joe. Question is, are we going to go to Town and City? I feel it in my bones. This is a Town and City game too.
I feel like Seagull might ban Town and City though.
If we ban Town and City, then we'll probably go to Triplets, maybe?
I guess, because Lilat is also very good for Sonic too.
Yeah,
so.
I don't think Chrome even wants to contemplate the idea of giving that. We might get the run back on Smashville actually.
Yeah. So either Triplets or they might go back.
Yeah, definitely.
But how are you today on this lovely JTS?
I am
21, old enough to drink.
Woo! I am doing moderately, or he is making the switch to the dunk. Oh, what? Never. As I said, there we go. The dunk hunt. But Smashville, Triplets, Town and City. So we were thinking all this as DK, but I saw Chrome King going duck hunt a bit in friendlies, and it was looking pretty clean to say the least.
He did say he was cleaning up his duck hunt, getting it up to par with his DK.
We'll just have to see whether it'll match up to Seagull Sonic. The Sonic that beat Zero sent him to losers for the first time, not including the bracket reset that Concon had on Zero at that one tournament.
What about Vinny?
Oh,
Didn't
whatever.
that happen too?
I have no idea.
I think that might have happened too the same year.
I think so.
But that was probably the first time Zero was in bracket.
Oh, yeah.
Loses bracket so early.
But applying this can pressure, we see a much slower paced game than we did the last. Ooh, he's gonna eat that F smash, no jump. Eat that bear. He's now very dangerous situation. Almost turned around. That can of beans coming in clutch.
Right, does explode anyway.
They say it's Beansball Berries at P. Anyway,
Still even.
Ooh, there's an up air, but not quite enough to kill. I think that was just the first hit.
Yeah, I think so too.
Well, Seagull connecting the fresh hit of Bear next.
No follow up after that king. He tried.
He wanted it. Gentleman coming in strong and
Oh.
up smash.
Okay.
Doing just about the same work. Good job, third person shooter person and Duck Hunt and Guy.
That's the guy.
Shout out to Guy. Rip, you will be missed.
Yeah, he's still around.
Somewhere.
Just busy with work.
True. Once again, just setting up this like essentially approaching with the can.
I mean, when you have a projectile against Sonic, it's good to just kind of throw it out,
Yeah.
interrupt the movement.
Stop the spin dash.
The real difficulty comes when the Sonic knows how to get around your
Oh, yeah.
projectiles. And you don't want to be throwing it out willy-nilly too, because then you become predictable. And then you're just in for a bad time.
Seagull really wanting this back here, just throwing it out incessantly, trying to catch that jump, trying to catch almost anything. Is that an F smash? There's an F smash, and that will take game 2. Unfortunate of Chrome King to go up high with that one.
Yeah.
So we'll see whether he will
He
stick
was kind
Duck
of
Hunt.
trapped there,
Yeah.
though. Because it was either get punished for regrab or go on stage and hope he rips the punish.
Oh yeah. So we'll just have to see whether he sticks Duck Hunt or he switches back to DK. There we go.
Alright.
Now, what stage do you think he got? You think he got Town and City? Or do you think he got
Maybe triplet. Oh,
Lilac? Ooh.
Alright.
He's taking it to the man. Stick it to him, Chrome. Although he did have some good success getting back from the ledge. He did allow him to drop off ledge and then use the iframes, or shadow iframes, to up B back onto the stage while it's tilting. And so that way he gets the invuln, no one can really challenge him.
Right.
So we'll have to see whether he's able to apply that here.
Honestly, until this week, I had no idea that was a thing.
Oh yeah, oh cool. Shadow iframes. The two best user, or the best user of it is Shulk. And then DK coming in a close second. But it's so like nifty, like it only really works on Lilac easily, and you can do it on some other stages, but it's so
Just way
impractical,
easy on a
honestly. Yeah.
Lilac.
Well, Shulk can do it easily on any stage. Except maybe Lilac, actually.
Who knows?
Anyway, much closer game than the last.
He's feeling more comfortable. Ooh.
Entering Seagull's up air with his own down air, and what do we get? Flipping grabs, charging. He's going to down air him again.
That was interesting. I was just expecting another back air.
Yeah. He needs to grab to get Seagull to the top. We need to just down arrow him, force him to miss attack, and just shoot him all the way up. And see, as I was, see, he went for it. As I thought, he would drop off, use the armor to cancel onto the ledge, and not get punished for it. But Seagull, he's gonna punch right through it.
Yeah, like what armor?
Those gloves that Seagull's rocking right now, those are modded. Those are modded gloves. See that blue? Chaos emeralds. Unbelievable.
The inhibitor. He stole the inhibitor rings from Shadow.
Oh yeah. Seagull making sure to give Chrome a hell of a time with landing.
And one thing about this matchup is that both these characters can't really land easily when they're getting juggled.
Look at the spin shot. He's going to eat him up tilt. Just going to die for it. The question is, will Donkey Kong's rage be the deciding factor? Is that going to eat an up smash? There's that up B. He's going to armor through.
Yeah, you stuck on the ledge again.
There's another F smash. Oh, no, not like this. Oh,
That
Seagull
was so close.
Actually missed spacing that down smash.
Maybe a little circ from him almost lilating.
Yeah. Seagull slowing it down a bit, knowing he does not want to get rage ding dong. Let's say it, he's eating big damage. So I'm gonna make it safely back to the ledge. I think if he actually grabs him on like one of the platforms, Seagull will die to ding dong at this percentage.
I think so.
Ooh.
I'm not really too bust up on my ding dong percents because I
All I
am
know
not a
is like
DK
if they're
man.
around like 80% is usually, or like 60 to 80 is usually the kill range depending on the stage. But like now as it gets high, oh yes, you saw right there how he was just like glowing white.
Oh, great
Trying to
check.
go for the stage fight. Good tech from Seagull. He's gonna down smash of his own, not quite enough to take it yet. Chrome King, I think he's fishing for a backdoor at this point, or fishing for an unsafe.
Oh, good footstool to get out of it.
Who needs some air dodge? Who needs a spring? You got one right in front of you. Up air, and that will take it. Star KO. 3-0 Seagull Joe coming through. Oh, show.
He almost went to game 4, so good
Almost
stuff to Kingfisher.
went to game 4. Kingfisher, but he's gonna have. Well, he doesn't have to make a hell of a run. But
Yes, this is winners finals, right?
yeah, this is
winners
winners
finals.
So we're probably gonna expect a rematch between him and Dexter, second and third seeds. So we'll just have to see how this goes. So take care, y'all.
Yep.